Let's draw and paint a unicorn cupcake today, starting with the unicorn horn, some stripes. Now we're going to do a cherry on top and the icing. I think we'll do 3 layers of icing and then our cake underneath. Brilliant! A smiley face, of course. Segmenting our cupcake with rosy cheeks. And let's not forget our tail. And some ears. Brilliant! Time to paint. What colour shall we do first? Ooh, blue, my favourite. Top part of the horn, then yellow. Alternating colours is a fantastic technique. Green for the leaf of our cherry, and now red for the cherry, of course. Do you like cherries? Oh, I love them, especially those nice, sweet, sticky glazed ones. Gold colour for the ears. Lovely. I like pink icing. It could be strawberry flavoured. What do you think? And how about this one could be... What are your favourite cupcake flavours? Me too. There we are, alternating again, because we just love it. Ooh, and done. Time to do the cake. Silver next. Going to do our first segment. Carefully painted in between the lines and around rosy cheek. And next blue. Going around the eyes. Ooh, that really brings out the blue of her eyes, don't you think? And done! Next segment can be silver again. We are continuing with the theme of alternating colours. Careful to go around the mouth and the cheek, staying in between the black lines. And finally, blue for the last cake segment. And there! Rosy cheeks are going to be rosy, of course. That lovely pink colour will match the icing. Yeah! Oh, red lips, of course, to bring out the red of the cherry. And for the tail, we're going for green. What shall we do next? Brilliant idea! Yellow would look great next to green. That's one happy, bright, colourful cupcake. Alternating. Of course we are. Done! There you go! You did it! Well done! A gorgeous, colourful unicorn cupcake! Yay! Hey kids, guess what? Today we're going to be colouring and drawing a pop-it unicorn! Woohoo! Start with the outline. And if you need to, you can pause the video and do one bit at a time. There we go! Let's do some stripes, horizontal going across from side to side, left to right. And now we're doing the poppers. So lots of circles in between each line. Brilliant! If you want, you could trace around a small circular object. That would make it easier. Brilliant! I wonder how many circles we will need to do all the poppers. Can you count them? Darkening up the border. That will make the colours stand out once we paint or colour it in. Did you manage to count how many poppers there were? How many circles? There are 28 circles. Well done, great counting. So we've started with red. We're using a gorgeous glittery paint and a small tipped paintbrush. So we've gone for orange. Doing the circles first. Or you could just paint over the whole lot if you want it to be the same colour. Or why not use 2 different shades? One for the circles and one for the parts around the circles. Brilliant! Let's go for yellow. We're fading out here. Red to gold to yellow. Getting paler as we go. Lovely. What colour should we do next? Do you have a favourite colour? You can choose all your own favourite colours. You don't have to do the same as this. We're going to keep it yellow for the next one too. 2 layers of yellow, just like 2 layers of red. Green for the next part. That's right, because this is the neck of the unicorn going into the body. Lovely bright green, that is. Blue. Very nice. You see how the colours are fading into one another? It's just like a rainbow. And what colour shall we do the last layer? Purple, what a great choice. Purple is my favourite colour. What's yours? This unicorn's looking amazing, don't you think? And we're done! Woohoo! There you have it, get poppin'! It's a Pop-It Unicorn Disco! Hey kids, do you like unicorns? Do you love cake? Well, we're going to show you how to draw and paint a unicorn cake! Yay! We start with the horns on top. Little ones, 3 of them, and then a big one. Excellent. Now some stars. And then we do the outline of the cake. It's going to be a slice of cake with some icing dripping down the side. And layers. This way we can do lots of different colours. Yay! How about a rainbow unicorn cake? Now we're going to darken up the border because that will make the colours really stand out. Perfect! That is a big slice of cake. Now, let's start with purple. Purple for the top of the big horn. Then yellow. And green. Ooh, I do love this colour combination. Some pink. And blue. Excellent. Now some green for the baby horns. And yellow. Lovely. Yellow stars too. Right, what colour shall we do the icing? Purple! Ooh, I love it! The depth of the colour of purple really makes the bright yellow stars and horns stand out. Fantastic! Paint really carefully within the black lines. And we're done! Let's go for our slices now. First we're going for pink. Pink and purple are like brother and sister. Gold. Round the dripping icing. And yellow. I like these similar shades of colours next to each other. Let's go for green next. Break it up a little bit. It's nice to have diversity, don't you think? How about some blue next? I would not mind a slice of this cake, would you? It looks delicious. Let's go for purple at the bottom to match the top. Oh, I love it. It's so sparkly. And we're done. Fantastic job. Well done, kids. You did it. Now, let's have a bite.
Hey kids, can you guess what we are going to do today? That's right, we are going to draw a Pop-It unicorn. First, let's draw the unicorn. Great job! Next, let's draw some lines over it. Nice! Now, let's draw some circles just like this. Keep drawing those circles. There you go! Time to draw an outline. Watch and learn. Do you know what time it is? It's painting time. Let's paint it red. Let's start with the top. Let's continue with the second space. Good job! Now let's use orange. And now, yellow. Keep going. We're almost done. Let's use green. And some cool blue. Now finally, purple. Woohoo! Great job! It looks so good. Thanks for watching. See you all next time.
Hey kids, fancy an ice cream? Ooh, the weather is hot out there. Let's try and draw and paint a unicorn ice cream. Start with the horn and the stripes. Next we do the ice cream on top. A smiley face with rosy cheeks. And the cone, a stripy cone. Ooh, crisscross, lovely. Time to paint, starting with purple on the top of our horn, then green. And then let's go for blue. What do you think should go next? Yellow! What a great idea! What flavour ice cream shall we have? Ooh, I think it's going to be raspberry flavour! Ooh, or it could be strawberry flavour. What do you think? I think I like summer fruit flavour. That way I can have raspberry and strawberry together in one. There! Time to do the rosy cheeks. And the cone! We're going for a lovely light golden colour. I love these cones. It looks like a waffle cone. What's your favourite type? Or do you prefer the ice cream in a bowl? How about some hundreds and thousands on top and chocolate sauce? Ooh, delicious. There! Perfect! You can even put it on a background if you want to be even more exciting. Well done, kids. You've done a great job. Bye-bye.
Subscribe and watch more.